What is going on, guys? VR&R back today, and today we're finally getting onto this project. I've been waiting months to get onto this project. Spring is finally here, and we are finally going to be starting the CT70 restoration. This will be my third one that I'm going to be restoring. I had my first one right here. This is my 1970. This is more my rider. It's not perfect, but we're going to be getting onto this bike. We're going to be completely overhauling this thing. I got the motor all rebuilt and everything ready to go in. And we're going to get right into tearing this thing down. We're going to be stripping this thing right down to the frame, sanding it out, fixing any rust, painting it, all the works. So let's get right into it, guys. Let me show you a little overview quick of this thing. So yeah, she's pretty rough. Can't even tell when it was last registered, but she's got a broken fender. I think this is the first year of the front plastic fender. We're going to be putting a metal one on it. Right there's our VIN. Obviously no motor. It's pretty rusty inside. I don't see any holes though, which is great. Tires are shot. Surprisingly holding air, but are original. They're shot though. And yeah, so alright guys, let's start tearing this thing down. Well, guys, we're about 75% of the way stripped down. And I tell you what, working on these real old bikes like this, they are so rusty. It probably took me a good hour and a half just to get that brake lever out. And we're going to have a lot of work to do. I mean, look at this swing arm, guys. She is crusty. We're going to have a lot of sandblasting to do here. I just wanted to stop to show you guys real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and finish getting this front end torn off. You know, I'm probably actually just going to leave the whole front end complete. And then just pull out the steering stoppers. So let's get right to it. I'm going to go ahead and pull up this front axle while it's right here. Gotta love 40-year-old cotter pins. They just play so nice. know, honestly, wow, that one wasn't bad. I think it heard me say that. Alright, just for my reference, this spacer goes on the right side of the wheel when you're sitting on the bike. Almost. There we go. Wheel out. Our other wheel. Most of these parts will not be getting reused in this build, guys. Probably the only thing from right here that I can see that I'm going to be reusing is the fork tubes, hopefully. I don't know, I gotta see, they look pretty pitted. The triple tree, the handlebar mounts, and the hubs I'm going to be reusing. Everything else is getting tossed to the trash. Well, there's no bike here anymore, as you guys can see. All it's left is a huge mess and a pile of parts and a whole lot of rust. So I'm going to go ahead and clean off this lift, and I'll get right back with you guys. We'll get the frame up on here and we'll give an overview on it. Bam! Oh wait. Alright, there we go, guys. So yeah, we got our frame up here. Next step is what we're going to be doing. We're getting this thing all cleaned up. We have a couple of rust spot holes in the bottom underbelly right here. It's real common with the CT70s. We got to get all the decals stripped off this thing, and then we're going to be completely stripping this thing down to bare metal, and we're going to be repainting it. So probably going to end the video here, guys. I'm real greasy and grimy, but I hope you guys are enjoying this new series, and I'll get right back to you next time.